Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out a 3-bedroom pool home for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 2270 Atlantic Drive. This one has been on the market for 45 days, and it has had a recent price reduction down to $446,300 on the north end of town. Nice view of the mountains. Kind of a mixed construction around here, but nothing junky. Yeah, a little side gate on the back. They also covered the eaves. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 1991, 1,598 square feet, with a nice open floor plan, wood plank tile floors. I believe it's laminate. Again, this one is listed now for $446,300. Sits on your standard 9,500 square foot lot. Has vaulted ceilings. It's just kind of your standard Havasu floor plan, open living, split bedroom layout, rear kitchen. Looks like they upgraded the kitchen with a, looks like quartz tops, glass tile backsplash, nice big windows out to the pool area, stainless appliances, up light and down lights. They also did mini LED can lights in here and blinds. Nice big windows so you can see the pool. Of course, you have your slider out to the backyard pool area. So actually you have two rooms over here. You have a guest bedroom with double doors. Across the hall you have the guest bath, solid surface tops, standard fiberglass full tub shower combo. So at the right side front of the house you have the other guest bedroom. This little walk-in closet. So on the other side of the house you have the master, garage access, you have indoor laundry, and then you have the master at the rear of the house. Vaulted ceilings in here as well. Slider out to the backyard pool area. You have your master bath, has dual sinks, solid surface tops, glass door, walk-in shower. There is a pocket door between the toilet and the shower area. There's also a skylight in here. You have your walk-in closet. So you have your standard 2-car garage that is 29 feet deep, standard 7-foot door that is insulated. All right, so backyard pool area is pretty nice, good size, has a full-length covered back patio, ceiling fans. This is a 1991 built home, so it is the older style stucco to grade construction. So you have the typical maintenance of the stucco eroding at the base if it gets too wet. This is also on a leased solar system. Got your pool equipment behind the gate there. See some of the panels. Looks like they had a pool skimmer repair at one point. Pool deck is in okay condition and starting to chip and pop here a little bit, but that's pretty common. Every few years you got to kind of redo it. Pool isn't in terrible condition. It looks pretty good. There's a little popping on the steps, but it's not bad. See the solar panels up there? Little barbecue area. It's pretty nice. They covered the eaves back here as well. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on 2270 Atlantic Drive. Again, this one is now listed for $446,300. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.